So here we have our HiLook camera. So this is an IPC-T260H-MU. So it's a 2.8mm 6 megapixel turret camera by HiLook. So this particular camera runs off H.265 now, and also has a microphone. So the box itself is pretty good looking. It's blue, as you can see. Just feels really nice. Matte finish box. So take a look inside. We've got our instruction manual here. So it's basically a quick start guide. Tells you about the camera, you know, how to connect it, what mounts are available, and how to basically remote into this camera. You also get a drill template, so you know where to mount this camera. If we look further at the camera itself, so inside you'll find the waterproof RJ45 connection gland. You also get 3 stainless steel screws with some wall plugs. So if we look at the camera itself, it's all made out of metal. This particular part here is actually plastic, but you can see that's where the microphone is. You got your lens and you've got your IR. So that's the camera. It's 3-way access, so we can actually turn it around, move it around whichever way we want. Comes with a pigtail here, which is RJ45, and it also can be powered via 12 volt if necessary. So that's a HiLook 6 megapixel IPC-260H-MU.